You want a salmon dish that's straight from a tropical island paradise? Stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're going to be making a Macadamia Nut and Coconut Crusted Salmon. Yummy, yummy. Let's jump right in, we'll talk about our ingredients. I have some salmon fillets. It's sitting on parchment paper that I've sprayed the bottom of the parchment. I have macadamia nuts, unsweetened cocoa, make sure it is unsweetened, some panko, some melted coconut oil, some lemon, some salt, and some pepper. So it's very, very, very simple. And we're gonna jump right in and start cooking. Okay, so anyway, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our lemon halves and we're gonna squeeze that right onto the salmon. This dish should be delicious. A little more lemon. These two middle ones are actually for my cat, so I'm gonna put the lemon on there. No, 2 cats. And now we're gonna, a little bit of pepper. A little pepper for the cats. But they do like salmon, so. I'm gonna go very easy on the salt because the macadamia nuts that I bought are actually salted. So I don't wanna make this too salty. So just a little bit of salt. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna par bake this for about 7 or 8 minutes. So I'm gonna be sticking this in a 425-degree oven. And that's gonna be in the oven for about 7 minutes. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our food processor. We're gonna stick our macadamia nuts inside. We're gonna take our coconut inside. And we're gonna break this up into small pieces. Very good. I'm gonna pour this into a large bowl. We're gonna add our panko breadcrumbs. I'm gonna add our melted coconut oil. And you want to kind of mix this in quickly because the coconut oil will solidify a little bit otherwise. In a couple minutes, the salmon will come out of the oven and we're going to coat our salmon with this. So I'll see you in a couple minutes. For right about 7 minutes. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take our macadamia nut and coconut topping. So I'm following someone else's recipe and I started to put some on. I don't like the way it looks, so I'm gonna add just a little bit of chopped parsley to this, just to give it a little bit of color. Good. Alrighty. Now we're gonna put some on top. Nice thick layer. We'll do this for all of them, like so. Some ones are actually almost finished cooking. You can feel that they're done. The last thing we're going to do is we're just going to give this a quick spray with some cooking spray. The fat will help it make it be a little more crunchy. We're going to put this in the oven for probably another 7 or 8 minutes, and I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out. Put our salmon on a plate. I paired it with a quinoa cake and some sauteed mixed vegetables. And I'm going to try my salmon. Looks delicious. It's really good. Oh, so I cooked it for about 6 minutes in the beginning, another 6 minutes at the end, and then after that I put the broiler on just for about a minute or 2, just to give it a little bit of nice color. It's really, really, really good flavor. I'd probably pair it with the sauce if I were to make this again, because it's a little bit dry. You know, like it definitely needs something to give it a little bit of moisture, but maybe like a nice mango salsa or something to keep it in the theme of the tropics. Yeah, like a little bit of mango salsa over here would definitely do it some good. But really, really nice dish. Nice crunch to it. Like the panko gives it a really nice crunch. You taste the macadamia nuts, you taste the coconut. So it is really, really nice. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe, leave your comments down below, and I will see you in the next video. Be safe, everyone. Bye-bye.